The hidden cost of female workforce attrition, when talent quietly walks away. In 2022, Professor Mary Ann Mason from the University of California, Berkeley, published a revealing study on female attrition in the workforce, particularly among highly qualified women. The research, conducted in partnership with the Center for American Progress and using data from the National Science Foundation survey, analyzed a sample of 3,500 postgraduate professionals over a 10-year period. The study found that 43% of women either leave their careers or significantly reduce their working hours after becoming mothers, compared to just 23% of men who become fathers. The sample was stratified by variables such as age, professional field, and marital status, ensuring statistical robustness. The leading reasons cited by women for stepping away from their careers: the mental and logistical overload caused by the incompatibility between professional demands and childcare responsibilities, especially in environments where institutional support is lacking. These findings not only expose a structural and silent phenomenon, but also show how companies are often losing strategic talent without realizing it, and paying the price through lower productivity, high turnover, and the loss of intellectual capital. This diagnosis is strongly reinforced by another major study led by Professor Shelley J. Carell of Stanford University in collaboration with the Clayman Institute for Gender Research. Titled The Motherhood Penalty, the research was conducted between 2016 and 2021, surveying 378 American women aged 25 to 45, both with and without children. The study found that mothers are 79% less likely to be hired compared to childless women with identical resumes. Furthermore, when hired, they receive an average of 7% lower salaries and are perceived as less committed, despite showing equivalent performance. The methodology included field experiments, qualitative interviews, and the submission of fictional resumes to over 800 companies, providing both scientific validity and statistical representativeness. The results are alarming. Even when women remain in the workforce, mothers face invisible barriers that hinder their development and long-term retention. Attrition in many cases is not voluntary. It's the inevitable outcome of a structurally exclusionary environment. This is precisely where corporate reality intersects with our mission: managing workplace childcare solutions. When a highly skilled woman leaves the workforce due to a lack of support in balancing motherhood and her career, it's not just her loss, it's the company's too. The cost of turnover for a qualified female employee can exceed 150% of her annual salary when factoring in recruitment, onboarding, and training of a replacement. More than a wellness initiative, investing in corporate childcare is a strategic move to retain talent and optimize operational efficiency. By offering a concrete solution to one of the leading causes of female attrition, the absence of a support network for young children, companies demonstrate not only empathy, but also strategic foresight. Workplaces that offer childcare support see up to 30% fewer resignation requests from working mothers, according to data published by Harvard Business Review in partnership with Leanin.org in 2023. At Uniepre, we specialize in designing, implementing, and managing corporate childcare centers tailored to the unique needs of each company. We work so that talented women no longer have to choose between motherhood and professional growth. Our mission is clear: to transform what is now a hidden cost into a visible competitive advantage. Ignoring female attrition means turning a blind eye to the silent departure of competence, experience, and leadership. Recognizing this phenomenon and acting on it is more than a matter of fairness. It's a smart business decision.